There are mental health resources available to students in Compton for free, often very accessible, but many students don't know they exist.
The problem isn't a lack of resources, it's a lack of awareness. These programs aren't marketed to everyday students the way apps or brands are.
Our goal is to speak with mental health workers, visit organizations, and understand what's already out there so we can spread awareness of those existing resources. How can students help promote mental health?
Um, Definitely talking about it, like using, I forget what it's called, but like, or putting posters up, or just like going class to class and telling them about the mental health resources we have here.
People can spread mental health awareness by talking about it with their friends and making group chats about like what's going on, and then invite people into it. I think they are underutilized because some people have a lot of mental health problems and they don't talk about it. They don't know who to talk to.
In Compton's high schools and colleges, students face real mental health challenges, stress, anxiety, trauma, housing insecurity. But when we asked around, many students couldn't name a single free resource on their near campus.
Ms. Crystal, the social worker here at Compton Early College Wellness Center, told us that the center offers free counseling and crisis support. But she said only a small fraction of students walk through the door who actually need help.
Why? Because students don't know the wellness center exists, or they think it costs money, or they just assume it's only for serious emergencies. That's a marketing problem, not a research problem.
Research shows that even when schools have strong mental health resources, usage stays low. Repeated student-friendly outreach. That's when we come in, not to create new resources, but to connect with students to share these resources.
Ms. Polanco, I'm a social worker here at Compton Early College. I've been here for about 3 years, going on 4, so I'm excited to answer some questions about mental health.
How many people receive support towards their mental health here?
So we have a room called the Wellness Center. So in our room, it provides a safe space for students to come in when they're feeling overwhelmed, they're going through a crisis. And we don't count how many we have, but it could be from 0, they just have the space to know that they're here to be able to come in. And sometimes it could be anywhere from 5 to 10. We do conduct groups. We do Bring Change to Mind, and that has about 23 once a week of students. And we do also other wellness activities to support mental health.
Based on your experience, what are some mental health struggles teens face today?
I think what it is asking for support, and a lot has to do with family dynamics, that a lot of the times our family never really asks, especially like, for example, me, that I'm Hispanic, we never ask for help. You know, we ask for help, we don't want people to know our business. And because of that, that's like something that needs to be changed, and we're trying to change, me and my colleague, the mindset that it's okay to ask for help, because we want to be supported, and it's okay to have an off day. And if it is just providing that space for students, I've noticed that has been helpful.
If you are in need of mental health resources or support, you should consider visiting Ms. Crystal and Ms. Polanco in the Wellness Center, or look into resources at Compton parks like Kelly Park and East Rancho, Flamingas Community Center and Park.
By bringing awareness to these pre-existing mental health resources, we hope to bridge the gap in that lack of resources for students, providing them people and support to rely on.